Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. So today I'm gonna share a review with you guys. So I have recently read One Dark Window by Rachel Gillig, which is the first book in the Shepherd's King duology, and I really enjoyed this book. There were a lot of things going around in this book, and I completed this book in just 2 days, and I am not that a fast reader, but this book kept me hooked till the last page and I was not able to put it down. So when I slept, I put it down, but everything was going around in my mind, and when I used to woke up in the morning, that was the first thing that I used to read. So I finished it in just 2 days, and I would highly recommend you all. I have the second book also with me, and I will start reading it as soon as I finish this review with you all. So let me give you a brief synopsis of this book. So this book revolves around a girl called Elspeth, and she lives in a kingdom called Blunder. So now in that kingdom there's a mist developing in the forest, and whenever a child goes into that mist, he gets infected with fever. So now this infected child gets a certain type of magical ability, and the king of the Blunder, he doesn't like the infected childs, and he doesn't like the magical ability, so he outs to find them and he kills them. Now Elizabeth is saved from the king because her family doesn't reveal it to the king that she has been infected, but she doesn't tell anyone that she has a magic. But she does have a magic, and she hears to this creature in her mind who helps her in everything. But the creature tells her that nothing comes for free. The magic obviously doesn't come for free, and whenever he helps her, he takes something from her. What that thing is, you will read it in the book. I will not reveal it. There's also one thing going around, that there are some 12 cards in the kingdom, and if you find that 12 cards, you could actually lift the mist, and you could save the people from getting infected. Now she one day she meets a highwayman who wants to kill her, and she ultimately finds out that that highwayman is the niece of the king, and he also wants to find the 12 providence card. So she joins him in helping him find the 12 Providence card, and ultimately healing her infection and lifting the mist from Blunder so that everyone could be saved. In the book, you will read if she will be able to find the Providence card, she will be able to lift the mist or not. So this is what is going around in the book, and the magic system and the world building is quite interesting. You will be actually hooked to the book from the first page, and you will really like the magic system, because I have not seen this type of magic system or world building in any other fantasy books. So yeah, I will highly recommend you this one. I will recommend the full duology because this ended at a cliffhanger, and I'm going to read the second book. So okay guys, I will see you with the next in the next video with the next review. Till then, bye guys, take care, see you.